Hi there, I'm Wendy with LV Sweet Homes Realty, and this is Ask Windy, a place where you can ask me anything about real estate, as chances are there are a million people with the same exact questions as you. What I'm getting this week is I want to put my house on the market after all this craziness dies down. I'm stuck at home. What can I do to get my house ready? Well, there's several things you can do. Definitely work on landscaping. We would love to have that nice curb appeal, and if you have kids at home, put them to work. They need it. Anyway, decluttering, deep cleaning, and it doesn't cost much money to just paint the baseboard, and it gives a nice clean look. You can do that, and then if you do like painting, the fascia board that lines your home right underneath the roof, if you just give that a fresh coat of paint, your home almost looks like a brand new house. Anyway, so those are a couple things. Hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, just list them below, and I will answer them on my next video. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.